Okay, boys and girls, today in math, we're gonna learn a new color and a new shape, okay? So we're gonna be able to analyze the color of the day and the two-dimensional shape of the day. Now, here on slide 3, I will have today's lesson, our live video lesson here on this slide. And we're gonna go over our colors and our shapes. So you can unmute yourself and we're gonna go over the colors and shapes all together, okay? I'll give everyone a second to unmute yourself.
What color is that?
All right, let's begin. Black.
Black.
Pink.
Blue. Pink. Black. Blue. Green. Orange.
Purple.
White.
Brown.
Red.
Orange.
Green.
What color is this? This?
Hey, mommy.
So these are the colors that you should be going over every day, okay? Now we're gonna do our shapes, okay? Circle.
Here.
This one.
Trumpet.
Trapezoid.
Triangle.
What color?
Triangle.
So we just went over our colors and shapes. All right, now we're gonna predict the color and shape of the day. And actually, Miss Castro, I might have to stand up so you can see. I'm wearing the color of the day. So let me stop sharing the screen and let's see who can predict the color of the day. Who wants to raise their hand? Kimora. Can you unmute yourself? What's today's color of the day? What's my color of my shirt?
Blue.
Blue. Excellent job. Good job, Kimora. Very nice. Okay, and then I had my object here that I'm going to show you, boys and girls. If I can find it. Now, you know what? I'm going to give you clues as to the shape of today. It has 4 sides. So it has a side on the top, on the side, the bottom, and then the other side. And all the sides are the same. It looks something like this. What shape is this object? Who wants to raise their hand and give it a try? What shape do you see? Jace, you can unmute yourself. What shape do you see in this here? Predict any shape that you could think of. What shape is this? That all the sides are equal. They're all the same size.
Square.
Excellent job. It's a square. So today, boys and girls, we're going to learn about the square and the color blue. Okay? All right. So let's go over some things that can be the color blue. Blue crayon, blue airplane, blue cloud, a blue wave from the water, a wave of water, and a blue bird. So these are just some objects that can be the color blue. And then here we have a real life bluebird. And the sentence says, the bird is blue. And they even made the word blue, the color blue, right? Now, there are many many shapes all around us. Ms. Casha just showed you one type of shape that I have here in my class. You might have some objects in your home that has the shape of a square. Here are some other examples of objects that are also in the shape of a square. Who would like to raise your hand and share with us one object that is the shape of a square here on the screen? Zaylee, you can unmute yourself. Tell us one object that's the shape of a square that you see on the screen.
A picture.
A picture frame, very good. So right here, this little girl has her picture in a picture frame and it's in the shape of a square. Excellent job, Zaylee. Dominic, go ahead. What's another object that has the shape of a square?
Yeah, she's asking you a question.
Say it
Could you
louder, sweetie. What do you see here on the screen that's the shape of a square?
What's in the shape of a square?
A red square.
A red square, good. That's the square that we're learning about today. Very nice. What's another object that's the shape of a square? Noah, go ahead and unmute yourself and speak loud into the screen. Go ahead.
Tell her. She say your name. What is this?
Burrito.
Say it loud.
Burrito.
The window. Very good. Excellent job, Noah. So here we have a window. It's covered by curtains. However, as you can see, it is the shape of a square. All the sides are the same. Let's see. Who else? Aaliyah, you can unmute yourself and name a different object that's the shape of a square.
A cracker.
A cracker. Good job. Very nice. So down here at the bottom, we have a cracker that's in the shape of a square. Good. Skyla, you can unmute yourself and share with us something that you see on the screen that's the shape of a square.
See. I see a carpet.
A carpet. What color is a carpet? What color is it, sweetie?
Where is it?
Good job.
Yeah,
Is
baby.
that one? Okay, I zoomed in for you.
See.
Do you need help, Skyla?
Yeah.
Okay, what color is the object that you say is a carpet? What color is it?
It's this one right here. She thinks it's like a beige. That's the one she's looking at.
The one down at the bottom?
Yes, on the right hand side.
Oh, Aaliyah just said that was a cracker. I never would have thought that would be a carpet too. That actually might be right, Skyla.
Cracker.
Could be. Aaliyah said it was a cracker, but you're saying it's a carpet. That's a good observation. I'll accept that answer too. That was good, Skyla. You're thinking out of the box. Very nice. Gracie Mani, I know you had your hand up. What's a different object that's the shape of a square?
Chocolate. Chocolate.
That's right. The chocolate bar up here at the top is in the shape of a square. And it even has little squares inside of the big square. Very nice, Gracie Mani. Anyone else want to share another object? Alina, go ahead.
Lena, say it.
The table is a square.
The green table here is the shape of a square. Very good. Rosaline, I think you had your hand up. What's something else that's the shape of a square?
A bar chocolate.
Yes, one of our friends already said that. I think it was Gracie Mani who said the bar of chocolate is the shape of a square. There's other things too that were not mentioned that are in the shape of a square. Do you know this yellow object? Cheese, very good. The yellow cheese. Excellent job. And then we have one more object. Elijah, go ahead. What's the last object that's the shape of a square?
A light switch.
The light switch. Perfect. Now we could hear you. Awesome job, Elijah. So the light switch down here at the bottom is the shape of a square. And I'm sure, boys and girls, that you can find many more objects in your home that are also in the shape of a square. Okay? So I have some more songs and stories for you boys and girls that you can watch on your own time with today's shape and color of the day. And for today's work, it's already posted on Google Classroom. This is the worksheet for the color blue. So your child reads the word blue and they touch the dot that's right underneath it. So they say blue, 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 blue. Then they have sentences with illustrations that go along with it, and they have to find the word and highlight it. They could even circle the word. So they read the sentence. It says, he has a blue car. And even though it doesn't say to color the pictures, they're more than welcome to color it. So they would circle the word blue here. He has a blue book. They would circle the word blue here. He has a blue shoe. Circle the word in the sentence. And then he has a blue whale. And here's the word blue in the sentence. So then your child picks one favorite sentence, any of these 4 sentences, and they rewrite it on the line. And then they illustrate the picture to go along with the sentence. And then every time that they read the sentences, they would color a child down here at the bottom. Okay? Then we have today's worksheet for the square. There's objects here that's in the shape of a square, but not everything is the shape of a square. There's only 4 objects in the shape of a square. So those are the only 4 objects that you would put in the boxes, and everything else goes down here at the bottom because they do not belong. And again, you'll be able to access this lesson from any device, iPad, phone, computer, and then continue to think of other objects that begin with today's color and shape. And make sure to keep practicing today's shape and color, boys and girls, okay? All right.